Exercise number 2.6, question number 6. The ages of Hari and Hari are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. Here two conditions are given, both are related to ratios only. The ages of Hari and Hari are in the ratio 5:7. This ratio is nothing but present age ratio of Hari as well as Hari. Now 4 years from now is given. That means after 4 years, means future age ratios are given. First we will think about present ages ratio, and then only we will think about the second condition, that is after 4 years. Given the ratio of ages of Hari and Hari is given as 5:7, that you copy. This ratio is nothing but present ages ratio. This is related to Hari, 7 is related to Hari. So you can write therefore present age of Hari. So Hari is related to 5. If you wanted to express in terms of x, that you can write it as 5x. Present age of Hari is related to 7. So present age of Hari is equal to 7x. Ratio, if you find out the ratio 5x is to 7x, you will get x and x gets cancelled, you will get 5:7 only. Now go to the second condition. 4 years from now, that is the second condition. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4, it was given. Before going to that, now present ages already we expressed in terms of x, that we are going to utilize in this condition. 4 years from now, present age of Hari is 5x. After 4 years, it will be, age of Hari will be 5x plus 4. 4 more years after 4 years. Suppose a person age is 10 years now, after 4 years it will become as 14. That means what? After 4 years means plus 4. Same way, if present age of Hari is 5x, age of Hari after 4 years will be present age plus 4. Present age of Hari will be 7x. So age of Hari 4 years from now will be this present age 7x. After 4 years means plus 4. So that we declared both the candidates Hari and Hari ages after 4 years. Now after finding the ages after 4 years, the ratio is 3:4. It was given. Also given that 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. So these are the ages of Hari and Hari after 4 years. So this age and this age, these two ages ratio is nothing but division. So that 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3:4. 3:4 can be written as 3/4. So this ages ratio is given as 3/4. You observe here, this is one fraction, this is another fraction. Equality sign, left side one fraction, right side one fraction is there. Then we can go for cross multiplication method. So by cross multiplication, 4 is multiplied with 5x plus 4, 3 is multiplied with 7x plus 4. So that you will get this step, 4 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. Now multiplication, let us see. This is plus, this is also plus. Plus into, bracket is nothing but into. Plus into plus is plus. 4 into 5, 20, and for this x you can write x. Again plus into plus. Plus only. 4 into 4, that is 16, is equal to plus plus. Plus into plus plus. 3 into 7x is 21x. Plus into plus is plus. 3 into 4 is 12. Observe here, x term is present on both sides of equality sign. So you have to convert X terms are one side of equality, constants are another side of equality. Right. This plus 20x, if you transpose to RHS, it will become as minus 20x. Already 21x is here only. Now you transpose plus 12 to LHS, it will become as minus 12, and this plus 16 as it is. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. 21 minus 20x. 21 minus 20 is nothing but 1. That is 1x means x only. If 4 equal to x, that implies x equal to 4. You got the value of x as 4. If you know x value, easily you can find out the present age of Hari. It is in terms of x only. So 5 into x value. Present age of Hari, 5 into x. Present age of Hari will be 7x. So that in question also they are asking us to find out the present ages only. Present age, if you wanted to find, if you know x value, by substituting here and here, you will get both the candidates present age. Roughly we can discuss also. X value 4, x value 4. 5x is nothing but 5 into 4, that is 20 years of present age Hari is having. 7 into 4, that is 28 years, that is the age of present age of Hari. The calculation also we have done. Present age of Hari is represented as 5x. 5x means 5 into x. X value 4 you got. 5 into 4, that is 20 years. Present age of Hari will be 7x. 7x means 7 into x. X value 4. 7 into 4, that is 28 years. So you got the present ages of both the candidates, Hari and Hari. If your answer is correct or not, checking process. Observe the question. Present ages ratio is 5:7. First condition. Present ages are 20 and 28. Their ratio, present ages ratio 20:28. 4 5 times, 4 7 times. So present age ratio, present age ratio is nothing but 5:7. Satisfied. 4 years from now, the ratio will be 3:4. After 4 years, ratio will become as 3:. After 4 years. 4 years after, present is 20. 4 years after, 24. And this candidate present age is 28 years. After 4 years, 32. Ratio. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. So 3:4 is the ratio between the ages of Hari and Hari after 4 years. You can see after 4 years age ratio is 3:4. So this also satisfied. So we can end up our calculation.